Pet, ako sa cellphone.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
Ano, ng sasakyan, pag may mga mabibigat na gamit, no, hindi kaya sa sasakyan namin yung Wigo, mag-rent ng ano, so kailangan naming
pick up guys.
kaya bumili na kagad ng pick up, no, parang van na may ano sa
Dalawa yun guys. Van na pick up.
Oo. Grabe guys, bait-bait ni Bunso guys. Ganyan ka ano si Japet guys. Pati sa pag ano ng bahay namin guys, tumutulong. Pati sa pag ano sa bahay guys, napaka ano na ni Bunso guys, kasi tumutulong na din siya sa mga gastusin sa bahay. Siya na yung nababayad ng kuryente, sa ano sa tagbilaran, tapos sa nung renovate sa bahay namin, tumutulong na din siya, nagbibigay na din siya sa akin. Kaya grabe, sobrang happy ko guys. Pati ni Japet guys.
kasi maraming mga blessing na dumating guys, kaya ibalik natin yung mga blessings.
Di ba? Kaya sobrang blessed ng grupo guys.
More to come guys.
Sana nga guys, no. Maraming salamat sa suporta nyo sa amin.
Guys.
I love you always guys. Thank you so much.